Hi guys, so I just got to 1000 subscribers. 1000 of you believed in my content, guys. Believe in me. So guys, to thank you enough, I'm going to do a detailed lipstick tutorial right now. Take your lipstick, take your lip gloss and your eyeliner. The lip pencil is very thick and it comes with its own sharpener. So I just finished sharpening the lip pencil. So what we're gonna do after sharpening the lip pencil, just to watch. So I'll take this powder and apply. So I'm doing this to remove oil on my lips. So we call it, we are mattifying. This is how we mattify our lips in order to remove oil so that we can be able to apply lip pencil very well. I'm taking the lip pencil and applying now. So when I'm applying, I'm not gonna apply direct. I'll use the corners to apply. So I'll do like this. With the side of the lip pencil. Just following the exact line of my lips. So I want my lips to appear a little bit bigger, so I'll go a little bit around my cupid's bow. And I'll connect this line with the edges. So that's what we did. So I'll take this, my Revlon lipstick, and then I'll dab it on my lips. That's how I'll be doing. So guys, this part is done. So this is my lip gloss. So you don't want to take this and apply this. So you're gonna take this and put here. So I'm sure this one is gonna be enough. So we apply this one. It's round and it's nice. Then we're gonna scoop. Then we scoop again for the lower part. You just distribute the lip gloss equally. Then
Happy birthday.